guys, let's make lunch for the school people. So this is what they are going to be doing for today's lunch. This one is ready. This is yam with egg. This one is ready. No wonder no bread. We're having rice. We're having jollof rice for today's lunch. Today's lunch is rice. Everyday work, everyday packing lunch.
Too quiet.
Hey guys, evening. How are you all doing? So after today's this thing is evening, yeah. After some hours, here I am cooking. I want to cook rice. Eating rice for tomorrow, for this night. Eating rice this night, and against tomorrow morning for children lunch. So I just want to make it easy. Understand? I don't want it to be very. I don't want it to, in a way that it will be difficult for me. So I decided to cook rice. Eating this night. Many moms, they will carry it and go to school tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll see how everything works. Every morning, I try to look for what to cook for them for their lunch. This lunch this time around is not easy. Understand? And this time around, some things are very expensive. I cannot afford some things. You understand? Even yam this time around is very expensive. And not that it's very expensive. If you waste money and buy, when you go so, you find out that the yam is not good. Assuming if you bought them, all of them is going to be, it will be good. That one is not gonna be a problem. At least you close your eye and buy it. But in this case, when you buy like 5 pieces, 3 out of them is not gonna be good. You understand? So it's better you just forget about yam for now. Maybe if you find, maybe by mistakenly you find the one that is good, you buy. But I think for now we'll be basing on and spaghetti and rice. You understand? For Indomie, I cannot make lunch. I cannot cook Indomie for lunch. For them, one, their their lunch box, it doesn't contain hotness that much. In the next how many hours it will cold. And once Indomie is cold, they will not gonna eat it. They will not eat it. You understand? So they are going to stay hungry until they comes back. Two, any other thing I call this macaroni. I cannot give them macaroni. The reason why they don't like macaroni that much. And another thing, what's one list? I don't know, I can't tell. So that is the reason why I decided to be making jollof rice for them. If I cook jollof rice, when you have taste, they will eat it. Even though it's cold, they will manage and eat it. You understand? With spaghetti. So that is why I choose these two for now. Or maybe when I don't have the strength to cook for them, I'll put snacks for them, put, give them juice, you get. So that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up, okay? Like, comment and also share. Please help us, support us by watching our video, by liking, by commenting. You can also help us share our video, okay? Yeah, so at this point I'm gonna be ending the video right now. It's too long, okay? So let me focus on cooking the rice. Maybe tomorrow I will continue the process of everything, how I put tomorrow lunch, how tomorrow lunch is going to be, okay? Have a nice day. Keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, keep supporting, and also keep subscribing, okay? We love you. Bye and have a nice day, okay?